Welcome guys to a brand new Excel video. In this video, I'll talk about how you can use AI in Excel. Now, have you ever been into situations that you have been given a particular task and you forgot which formula to use in Excel and been stuck there for hours? Now, I'm here to help you. In this video, I'll talk about how you can use AI specifically to fetch your formulas for a particular task. Now, for that, you need this AI edited formula editor here, but let's just talk about that later. I'll show you how this thing works. Currently, you have seen that we have a very simple data of fruit and sales, right? And we need total sales for mango. Now I'll use AI to fetch the data. We'll go to AI editor, formula editor, and AI formula editor here. We'll go to AI generated and remove this. This is basically where you can describe your formula. And the best part is that you can use even Hindi to describe your formula. Now, just the only thing is that you have to give the specific range from where your data is present. Now I'll write this. Oh, just give me a minute. मुझे मैंगो का टोटल सेल्स बोलो B3 से C10, like B3 to C10, like full form, full table, right? Now I'll click on submit. See, generated by AI, they have given a specific formula. Now we don't need to copy paste this formula. We'll place the cursor where we require the results and press this. See, we got a formula. Now let's just check that if AI is correct or not. See, it is 9854. Right? This is very wonderful, right? Now I'll show you first how you can insert this. Go to File, go to More, and go to Options. Or maybe let's just do it in another way. Go to Insert. See, there is Get Add-ons here, right? Click on there and go to Store. Here you will type this AI aided formula editor and search. This first one, right? I already added this. So I got this, and you just need to click on add and it will automatically show up here. Now let's try this AI in a more complicated way, right? Let's just go to sheet 2. It's already there. Try this in a more complex data, right? We have season, customer name, location, and amount, and we want total sales of India in winter season. So our answer should be 14,000, 1,45,000, right? Let's just ask AI that can he do that. Go to AI formula editor, go to AI formula editor here and go to this one and go to AI generator. And give me total sales of India in winter season in range winter season range A18. Okay, let's just try to select this. Okay, we got the formula. Let's just see. Okay, we got the modifier first. See, that's really easy, right? You have to just type your requirement here and give the appropriate range. This is most important. If you give the appropriate range, the AI will give you the formula. You just need to like copy paste the formula or just press this one and the formula will appear here. Now, given you to have fun with this and hope your daily Excel work and your daily task should be completed in a very quick time. That's it for the video. If you like my content, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I'll end my video with a quote. Just do your best and leave to God all the rest. Thank you. Bye, guys.